In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to sell an ebook on Gumroad in 2026. First, open your browser and go to Gumroad. If you already have an account, click Log In. If not, click Sign Up and create your account using your email or another available sign-in option. After creating your account, verify your email address if required and open your Gumroad dashboard. Now go to the Products section in the left sidebar and click New Product in the top right corner. You'll see different product types such as Digital Product, Course or Tutorial, Ebook, Membership, Bundle. Choose Ebook. Next, enter your ebook title and set your price. Try to use a catchy and clear title that explains what the ebook is about. For pricing, you can set a fixed price. Allow customers to pay what they want. Enable installment payments. Automatically apply discount codes. Choose the pricing option that works best for your audience. After that, click Next and Customize. Now it's time to build your ebook product page. Add a strong product description explaining what readers will learn, key benefits, important takeaways, why people should buy your ebook. A good description helps increase conversions and sales. Next, upload your ebook file such as a PDF or EPUB file. You should also upload a professional ebook cover, a thumbnail image, additional preview images if needed. Gumroad allows you to upload files directly from your computer or through external links. You can also customize your checkout settings, add discounts, or enable product previews. Once everything looks good, click Save and Continue. Finally, click Publish to make your ebook live on your Gumroad store. Your ebook is now ready for customers to purchase and download automatically. And that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.